you want to learn how to use Google Gemini and get the most out of this powerful AI tool, then this video is for you. Make sure you watch this video until the end and don't skip any part, because every step is important. So let's get started. If this video meets your needs and helps you learn how to use Google Gemini, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. To get started, open your web browser and search for Google Gemini. Once you're on the Gemini website, sign in with your Google account if required. After signing in, you'll see the Gemini chat interface. Here, you can type your question or request into the message box. For example, you can ask Gemini to write an email, explain a topic, generate ideas, or help you with a task. You can also upload supported files or images when you want Gemini to analyze or work with them. Once you've entered your prompt, click the Send button and wait for Gemini to generate a response. If you don't like the answer or want more information, simply ask a follow-up question. You can continue the conversation to get a more specific response. You can also copy the response or use the available options to continue working with the information Gemini provides. And that's how you can get started with Google Gemini. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful AI and technology tutorials.